Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Davinci Sound Library. This integrated tool is incredibly powerful for all your audio post-production needs. It helps you manage, find, and audition sound effects directly within your project. For the best experience and access to all its features, you should primarily use the Sound Library from the dedicated Fairlight page in Davinci Resolve. To begin, navigate to the Fairlight page and open the Sound Library panel, usually found in the upper left corner. You can easily add your own sound effects folders by choosing Add Library within the local database view. To find specific sounds, use the search bar with keywords or type 3 asterisks to see all available tracks. Remember, Blackmagic Design also provides a completely free Fairlight sound library for you to download and use. Once you've found a sound, you can audition it directly on your timeline to see how it fits before making a final commitment. Simply drag and drop sound effects onto your audio tracks or individual clips for precise placement. You can then adjust clip volume, add smooth fades, and apply various Fairlight FX plugins using the Inspector panel. The Fairlight page also offers advanced tools for detailed waveform editing and effective noise reduction. To finalize your audio, use the mixer on the Fairlight page to adjust individual track levels, panning, and apply effects across entire tracks. Implement equalization and compression to sculpt your sound, ensuring a balanced and professional mix. When ready, head to the Deliver page to export your audio-only files, selecting common formats such as WAV or MP3. You can also set specific in and out points on your timeline to export only desired sections of your audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.